Okay, the Ethernet card was installed, and now I'm being asked whether it's a public network or a home network. It is a home network, so I click on that. Home network 7 is now installed, so we're ready to go. So let's see what the network settings look like. And there we have the computer. It's now showing a net connection between the network and the internet. So we're in business. So if we click on Chrome, and actually I'll bring you again to the back of the computer, and you can now see that this light is blinking, so that means that it's reading data. So that install was successful. And now let's see, we've got this, we can minimize this, and there's a driver that it installed. It said it's ready. It's a Realtek driver. It's ready to use. And if I look at the box that it comes in, here's the box. Fast Ethernet card, $8.99. That's what it looks like. And now I just need to go on the internet and check it out. Thank you for watching.